guys, it's BarSandhu here with BarSandhu. This is my first tutorial. As you can see, I'm currently in Hawaii, obviously. So what better way than starting with a classic Mai Tai. Now, I was excited about talking about a Mai Tai first because I think the Mai Tai is misinterpreted. The classic drink actually started in 1933, and it was a way to highlight aged rum. So the drink is actually very liquor forward. What I mean by that is that the drink was created to highlight the taste of the liquor, which in this case is rum. And somewhere along the line, it turned into this kind of yucky, fruity drink with like lots of juices and maraschino cherries and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you kind of a traditional. This recipe, I'm gonna plug all my favorite places, but this one is it's not exact, but it's very similar to the one they make at Mai Tai, which is an award-winning Mai Tai. Mai Tai, Williamsburg, Brooklyn, the best Mai Tai you will ever have. And then I'll talk about some other places that I like too. So it's not an easy drink. There's a lot of different things happening in the drink. So we're gonna start. You're gonna need some shaker glasses. I have crushed ice. Now crushed ice is very difficult to get at home unless you have a crushed ice machine. I have this Lewis ice bag that my husband bought me for Christmas. Just put some ice in there, you bang it with a mallet, it stays cold in there, and you have snow crushed ice. Alright, so we're going to start. Now the 4 different rums are usually a blackstrap rum, an aged rum, a high proof rum, and then like sort of a classic, or your go-to, which in this case I'm using Hamilton rum. And don't worry, you're not using a lot of each rum, so hopefully it won't be, too strong. Okay, so we're going to start with our basic rum, and we're going to do 1 ounce. This is the 1 ounce. Then we're going to do a 1/4 ounce of the high proof rum. You don't want a lot of this, just a 1/4 ounce of this. We're going to do a blackstrap rum, 1/4. And we're going to do an aged rum, 1/4. Okay. One thing that makes a tiki drink different from any tropical drink traditionally is this baby right here, which is orgeat, I'm not really sure exactly how to pronounce it, I should know. It's almonds. It's an almond extract, or almond liqueur. There's actually no alcohol in this at all, but it's basically like an almond syrup. This is the key ingredient. This is what gives tiki drinks their flavor. So we are gonna do, a 3/4 of this. Now, if you can't find this, I'm gonna hold it up so you can see, orgeat. If you can't find that, which like some kind of novelty liquor stores will find it, my go-to store, Duke's Liquor Box in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. You could just get almond extract. Make sure it's real, the pure stuff, not like the sugary stuff, and you can just give it a little bit in there for some extra flavor. Then you're going to use a curacao. I don't have orange curacao, but I have something else. It's another kind of orange liqueur that we're going to add to that. We're going to do like a 1/2 ounce. Okay. Okay. So we got our 4 different rums. We got our orgeat. We have our orange curacao. It would normally call for a demerara syrup. I don't have any, because we're home stuck in quarantine. I'm going to use a little agave. All right, there's that. Then I'm going to add some ice. And I'm going to give it a really, really, really good shake. You want this to be nice and cold. Okay? I'm gonna do a little strain into a Mai Tai glass. And then I'm gonna add my crushed ice on top. I'm not doing a very good job making this neat because I'm not good at doing it with the demos here, but we're gonna get some crushed ice out of this. Look at that, little snow cone ice. We're gonna add some mint. Now you wanna hit the mint or something along those lines. It opens up the flavor. I like to give my glass a little mint taste. We're gonna add a little squeeze of an orange. Throw it in there. And now I'm on vacation. That is so good. That is so good. Great. Well, that was my first really not well put together demo, BarSandhu, making a homemade Mai Tai, but you know, maybe I'll do another one of these tomorrow. We can go take it back to the 1920s and do some classics, maybe some New Orleans Sazeracs. So check back in. Cheers. Aloha.